In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the time zone on your Weebly site. Whether you're managing a personal blog, an online store, or a professional portfolio, ensuring your site's time settings match your current location or preferred time zone is crucial for accuracy and convenience. Let's walk through the process step by step so you can have this adjusted in no time. First, let's get started by navigating to your Weebly site's editor. Log into your Weebly account and you'll be directed to your dashboard, which displays all of your site options. At the top of the page, you'll notice a series of tabs. Look for the one labeled Settings and give it a click. This will lead you into the area where you can make various adjustments to how your site functions and displays. Once you're in the settings, you'll see a sidebar on the left that categorizes all the different settings available to you. Direct your attention to this sidebar and find the section labeled General. Clicking on General will open up more specific settings that are crucial for the basic configuration of your site. As you scroll through the general settings, keep going until you reach the section titled Site Formatting. This is where you can control the visual and operational aspects of your site, including, of course, the time zone setting. Within the Site Formatting section, you'll find a drop-down menu specifically for time zone. Click on this drop-down to reveal a list of all the available time zones. Here's where you can tailor the time settings to reflect your current location or any other time zone you wish to use. Simply select your preferred time zone from this list. You might need to scroll a bit if you don't see your desired time zone right away, since the list can be quite extensive. Once you've made your selection, Weebly automatically updates your site's settings to reflect the new time zone. And that's all there is to it. Adjusting the time zone is a quick yet essential task that can make your site more user-friendly both for you and your audience. It ensures that any time-sensitive content, such as blog post timestamps, appointment bookings, or event notices, will be accurately aligned with your preferred time zone. By having your site set to the correct time, you avoid any potential confusion and ensure a seamless experience for visitors, particularly if you manage time-specific interactions or announcements. Remember, whenever you change locations or manage multiple sites with different needs, it's helpful to reassess and adjust these settings. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Happy editing, and have a great day.